I was into aviation from a young age, and I was also into car stereos and car electronics. So I put the two together, and that's pretty much how I ended up here. The Aviation Electronics program here at Spartan. I loved it. I've never looked back. We were immersed in our subjects, but it wasn't to the point where it was overwhelming and exhausting. Most of us in the class were hands-on learners. We'd learn the theory in the books, and then we'd go put our hands on something. We started out with basic multimeters, and once we had the basic theories down, we started building projects, things that you may see in an airplane, things that you may see in and out of your house. But you had to be at class, you had to be attentive, and you had to be here in order to succeed. I didn't have any kids, I wasn't married, I was willing to just about do whatever I needed to do to get started, and ended up working for the State Department, flying on State Department airplanes for about 11 years. And I traveled the world. I had a blast. My favorite part is being able to solve a problem just by putting my head together, maybe with my coworker or my teammate, and we trace the problem down to a certain part or a particular set of wiring diagrams, fixing it, getting the airplane airworthy again, getting it back in the air. It was very, very rewarding, and I was very fortunate. I'm glad I did it. And then I went off to do other government contracts where I had to have secret clearances and did a lot of traveling, and I've seen a lot of places, and it's all because it all started here.